My lord, I seek your lordship's permission to commence the inaugural function, my lord. Thank you, my lord. It's a wonderful good evening to one and all gathered here for the noble cause of opening of additional district municipal court, Pollachi. To commence the program, let us seek the grace of Almighty. I request the dignitaries and audience to rise for invocation of Tamil Thai Valthu.
சீராரும் பதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமெனில் திக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடர்கள் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனே தமிழனே உன் சீரிழமை திறப்பியந்த செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
Now I invite our respectable Principal District Judge, Thiru R. Saktivel, who is empowering and guiding us throughout to welcome this August gathering.
A delightful good evening to one and all. It is a great honor for me to welcome the dignitaries on the dais at Honorable High Court of Madras and Madurai Bench of Madras High Court at Madurai, and the dignitaries at Coimbatore to this inaugural function of the newly constituted Additional District Municipal Court at Pollachi in Coimbatore District. On behalf of District Judiciary, Bar Association and the District Administration, I thank our vibrant and spirited Honorable Chief Justice of Madras High Court, Lordship Mr. Sanjeev Banerjee, for having graciously consented to inaugurate the Additional District Municipal Court at Pollachi today. On behalf of the District Judiciary, Bar Association and the District Administration, I extend my warmest welcome to our Honorable Chief Justice. Welcome, Milord. I am extremely honored to extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Portfolio Judge, there is Justice N. Krupakaran, whose concentrated efforts has made the inauguration of this new Additional District Municipal Court at Pollachi a grand success. It is our privilege to our Lordship's presence for this inaugural function. I extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Portfolio Judge. Welcome, Milord. I am extremely honored to extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Portfolio Judge Justice N. Satish Kumar, who is participating virtually. I also welcome Honorable Lordship Justice N. Satish Kumar. I have immense pleasure in welcoming the son of the soil, Honorable Justice F. K. Murali Shankar, Judge High Court of Madras, who has graced this function with his august presence. Welcome. It's my pleasure to extend cordial welcome to the District Collector Coimbatore, Thiru S. Nagarajan, and the Superintendent of Police, Thiru S. Selva Nagarathinam, for extending their wholehearted and intense support from the District Administration to the District Judiciary. Welcome, sir. I also welcome the President and Office Bearers of the Coimbatore and Pollachi Bar Associations. Welcome, sir. I welcome my brother and sister judges who have extended their wholehearted cooperation in all the activities of the District Judiciary and all the staff members of our judicial family of this district. I also extend a warm welcome to the representatives from the media, press, district police unit to this function. I take pride and honor to mention that we have inaugurated 5 new courts in Coimbatore district in the past 2 years. In addition to this, I would like to mention that 30% of the construction work of combined court building at Pollachi has been completed, and the same would also be inaugurated soon under the directions of the Honorable High Court of Madras. The proposal for constitution of a new taluk courts at Perur and Annur are under process with the guidance of the Honorable High Court of Madras. with active participation and support of our district collector. I once again extend my warm welcome to the general public, litigant, and all others who are present here virtually to add grace to this function. Thank you all.
Thank you, Judge, for your wholehearted welcome address. With great pleasure, I most humbly invite our Honorable Through Justice Sanjeev Banerjee, Chief Justice, Honorable High Court of Madras, to inaugurate the Additional District Municipal Court, Pollachi, with his auspicious hand by unveiling the inscription. Thank you, Lordship, for having inaugurated the new era of Additional District Municipal Court, Pollachi, which will definitely serve the cause of justice to the litigant public. Now I invite all the dignitaries to witness a short video that projects the real picture of the marvelous institution of Additional District Municipal Court Hall and its precincts. Thank you, Lordship. I feel immensely happy to invite our Honorable Through Justice K. Murali Shankar, Judge High Court of Madras, to deliver his Lordship's special address and need to be mentioned that his lordship is the son of the soil. Welcome, my lord.
அனைவருக்கும் மாலை வணக்கம். My Lord Honorable the Chief Justice, my esteemed Honorable Senior Portfolio Judge for the Coimbatore District, respected Principal and District Judge, brother and sister judges, respected District Collector, respected Superintendent of Police, respected President, Secretary, Office Bearers and members of the Coimbatore Bar Association, respected President, Secretary, Office Bearers and members of the Pollachi Bar Association, special invitees, dear staffs, present media friends. Good evening to one and all. I am immensely privileged and tremendously honored to be in your midst virtually to attend the inauguration of the Additional District Municipal Court at Pollachi as a son of soil. To me, it's a special and memorable occasion because this is the first my official function after my elevation. It is my duty to say about Pollachi. The name Pollachi is derived from a beautiful Tamil word, Polil Vaichi, means land of natural wealth and prosperity. The market in Pollachi is very popular, and even in olden days, it was said everything is sold and bought, including elephants. It is on the cusp of Anaimala Hills and plains of Coimbatore. I extend my invitation to the Honorable Chief Justice to visit Pollachi after pandemic is over. 1.5 years back, nobody was thought of conducting inaugural function through virtual mode and conducting of court cases virtually. COVID-19 has come and it has completely changed our entire lifestyle, work pattern and social relationship and everything. But as a blessing in disguise, COVID-19 and consequent declaration of lockdown forced not only our judiciary but all the fields to advance their technology to suit their working pattern. And that made us possible to conduct this function like this. Otherwise, we have to wait indefinitely till the pandemic is over. During the pandemic, our High Court, under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Chief Justice, has been inaugurating new courts and opening new court buildings continuously. The very purpose of opening new courts, special courts and additional courts is to benefit the public, so as to enable them to get speedy justice and to get justice nearer to their place. Incidentally, it benefits the advocate community, enabling them to get more opportunities and at the place nearer to them. Indirectly, it benefits the staffs also by reducing their work burden and by increasing their promotion opportunities. It is generally said that bar and bench are the two sides of a same coin. For dispensation of justice, the role of staffs is also very much important, and according to me, the judges, advocates and staffs are the three sides of a triangle, and even if one side is not good, then the nature, structure and character will not be there. Hence, I take this opportunity to request all the stakeholders, all the three stakeholders to work together and work harmoniously so as to achieve our object and goal of benefiting the litigant public to get speedy and effective justice. Before concluding, I extend my thanks with great gratitude to our Honorable Chief Justice for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, Lordship, for your kind words of strength. Now we move on to the next step. Our Lordship hardly need any introduction, as your Lordship had delivered distinguished and path-breaking judgments that had addressed the dire need of the challenged section of society. Now I have immense pleasure to request our Honorable Portfolio Judge, Honorable Thiru N. Kribakaran, Judge, High Court of Madras, to deliver his Lordship's special address.
Vanakkam, good evening. Pollachi people are glamorous and sweet persons. Glamorous in the sense, the cinematic locations and the beauty, nature's beauty, you are blessed with that. Rivers and mountains, coconut groves. Sweet persons in the sense, it is a biggest jaggery market. If any couple goes through the paddy fields of Pollachi, definitely they can feel like that the heroines of a movie. The only thing which is missing will be this song. Other than that, it will bring back the location of the cinematic locations. If a court is inaugurated, a Kumbhabhishekam of a temple is performed. Court is nothing but temple of justice, where the advocates, litigants, judges are all stakeholders. The aim of the government as well as the judiciary is to render justice and to deliver justice at the doorsteps, except the Supreme Court. Every taluk has got a court. Now, the additional district municipal court inaugurated in Pollachi will lessen the burden of the other court. The advocates who are all practicing there should cooperate with the judicial officers without creating any problem to them, to see that the cases are disposed. Rather than, instead of telling cases are disposed, giving assistance to render justice. A case is disposed means justice is rendered to the parties. This is the pandemic time. Everybody is supposed to maintain the social distance, and it is a time to exhibit our benevolence also. Those who have got money or resourced persons, please help those persons who are not that much fortunate. In this way only we can help and survive. The pandemic is creating havoc in this world. Every country is facing a lot of problem. This is the second wave. We have to survive this wave, and therefore I request rich people and resourced people to offer their helping hand to the deserving persons. I congratulate the judges, advocates, litigants in Pollachi area, as they got one more court. And one more thing is that there is a combined court is getting ready with the 10 courts, which has been constructed with 10 court halls, even though now at present 5 courts are there. Taking into the future requirement, 10 courts are being made ready. I think soon Chief Justice will inaugurate. I congratulate all the persons, especially the advocates and litigants. Thank you very much.
The precious words definitely would be a treasure to us, and we will strictly adhere to the guidance of your Lordship. Now the time has come to request our Honorable Chief Justice. A mother knows the need of the child without any demand, and our Honorable Chief Justice, noticing the infrastructure at district court level, had created a corpus for effective development of infrastructure of district judiciary according to National Court Management System. Now I request our Honorable Justice Thiru Sanjeev Banerjee, Chief Justice, Honorable High Court of Madras, to deliver his Lordship's presidential address. Welcome, my Lord.
Brother Justice Kripakaran, hopefully Brother Satish Kumar is with us on the virtual mode. Hopefully other brothers and sisters are also with us on the virtual mode. Brother Murali Shankar, Principal District Judge Shaktivel, CJM Chelladurai, District Collector Thiru Nagarajan, Superintendent Thiru Selva Nagarathinam, the President of the Bar Association Secretary, other office bearers, members of the bar at Coimbatore and particularly at Pollachi, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. Ungal Anaivarukkum Malai Vanakkam. But this is not a very pleasant time. We are going through a period of great difficulty where, as Brother Kirubakaran said, we should all those who can afford should extend a helping hand and should be understanding and extremely cooperative so that we can fight this together. There is no saying who the virus will attack and to what extent. We have to be careful, we have to be vigilant and not indulge in activities that are not required at all. The small video clip that was presented showed me what I had missed out today. The place looks really idyllic and beautiful. The flowing waters, the rolling mountains, the carpet of green, the cloud hanging low. All it requires is a storybook to sit out in the open in shade and enjoy nature. But as much as I accept with gratitude Brother Murali Shankar's invitation to visit the place, I have been impeded by the pandemic from traveling around the state, going to the districts, interacting with our very fine judicial officers all over the state. Brother Murali Shankar has, in short, brought to us how beautiful the place is. It was formerly known as Porul Achi, meaning the land of wealthy government. It also came to be known during the rule of Kulothunga Chola III as Mudikonda Chola Nallur, meaning the village of crowned Chola. The area is rich in cash crops, tender and ripe coconuts, and Pollachi is famous for its Santhai market, which is the biggest in the country, predominantly dealing in jaggery and cattle trade. The jaggery market is supposed to be Asia's largest. There are also coir producing units with raw materials sourced from local farms. Due to the pleasant climate, Pollachi is a sought after film location. Pollachi is the latest, in the small way, it's the latest feather in the cap of the judiciary in Tamil Nadu. In the clip, we've seen the new integrated building coming up. The one aspect of the matter is to provide the physical infrastructure, and the other aspect of the matter is to fill the judicial hour with 60 minutes of worthy judicial cause. We are, at the end of the day, a service industry where we are there to serve the litigants. For long, we have looked at the supply side without looking at the demand side. There are places where courts still function in marketplaces or in rented buildings, often the landlord threatening eviction in the same court because rent remains outstanding. We are taking steps to ensure that physical infrastructure is created on a war footing. The strength of the judiciary has increased considerably over the last few years, including the judge strength in high courts. What we require more is domain knowledge in several areas. The basics appear to be lacking in some cases, and there has to be a constant education or a process of constant education through the Judicial Academy and otherwise, where all of us need to improve our domain knowledge. Most of the time, the law plays catch up. The criminal or the devil, so to say, is one step ahead, and we enact a law and play catch up trying to stop the mischief. There are many hats that several judicial officers wear, including the principal district judges. There are many duties that overlap, and sometimes judicial officers in the districts do not have the benefit of even the Sunday, forget the Saturdays of the week. What cannot be seen from outside is that in addition to the regular work that we undertake, judges are also responsible for administration, and that work is not done sitting in court, but substantial time is required after sittings in court are over to deal with administration matters. It is necessary that the administration be controlled by judges themselves so as to insulate it from the executive and the legislature. But it is time that we have a managerial system, like a judicial management system, where a separate cadre is created, where officers go into management aspects of judicial offices and courts, so as to get expertise of management into the system, make it more professional and accountable, and at the same time relieve judges to some extent and let them concentrate on the judicial work. This is the 8th or 9th occasion this year that I have been on this platform inaugurating a courthouse or some building. We are extremely grateful to the government, which has responded to our request every time and has opened access to justice in a big way. But access will really not come till the people for whom these projects come up are informed and educated of their rights and encouraged to assert their rights. I hope this building will serve the cause in the near future before the integrated building comes up. I congratulate all of you in Coimbatore and particularly in Pollachi and wish you well. Jai Hind. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you, Lordship, for your valuable and precious speech. And we are really fortunate enough to gain Lordship's wonderful words of wisdom. Now, before concluding the program, I request the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Thiru P. Chelladurai, to propose vote of thanks.
Good evening, Milad. Good evening to one and all present in this inaugural ceremony. I am honored to have this opportunity to give a vote of thanks on this day. First of all, I would like to thank our Honorable Justice Ranjit Banerjee, Chief Justice of Madras High Court. Thank you, Milad, for inaugural the Additional District Municipal Court, Pollachi. Thank you, Milad. Next, I would like to thank our Honorable Justice Mr. N. Kirbavaran, Judge Madras High Court and Portfolio Judge for Coimbatore District, and Honorable Justice N. Satish Kumar, Judge Madras High Court and Additional Portfolio Judge of Coimbatore District. And also I thank Mr. K. Murali Shankar, Judge Madras High Court and son of this oil. Thank you, Milad. Thank you, Milad, for Lordship honoring the ceremony with your presence. On this occasion, I want to extend my generous thanks to Mr. Saktivel, Honorable Principal District Judge Coimbatore, who gave a warm welcome address in this program. And I thank the additional district judges, brother and sister judges. Thank you, judges. Next, I would like to thank Mr. Nagarajan, District Collector, Coimbatore, and Mr. Selva Nagaratnam, Superintendent of Police, and board members of Coimbatore District, especially Pollachi Bar Association. Thank you, sir. Last but not the least, I thank staff members of Coimbatore Judiciary Media. Once again, I thank one and all who are present on the dais and off the dais. Thank you, my lord. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your vote of thanks. Now, I request all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais to rise for national anthem.
Jana Jana Mana Adhika